Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be reviewing Bruja Babe Cosmetics. They sent me a care package and I did a look using all products. And as always, before the video starts, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video if you did like this video at the end of the video, and don't forget to check out Bruja Babe Cosmetics. And also they're also called Firme Arte. Firme Arte is a queer, indigenous, trans alchemy. And this is a letter that I got in this package. It says, "Thank you so much, babe, for supporting queer, indigenous, trans alchemy. You are helping us keep our vision alive, and we are grateful for your beautiful presence in our community." Okay. And my familia and I appreciate you so much. Make sure to snap a pic of your new witchy gear and tag us to be featured. Post like that hella help the bodega, you know, the cosmetics line, and themselves grow and evolve. We love you, vendor, they, them, he, his. I also want to give a huge shout out to Firme Arte for reaching out to me personally and seeing something in me about my makeup and the way I do my looks, for them sending me this care package. It's really fucking awesome, and and Bruja Babe Cosmetics is the first brand to actually send me a goodie package, so it really made my day. It makes me feel like all of the work I'm putting into my content is super worth it, and it really is, because indie brands reaching out to me and sending me their products, confiding in me that I can do something with it, in which I did. I really loved it, and I can't be more thankful than to say thank you, Firme Arte. Thank you so much for seeing something in me and for sending me the lovely care package. And if you want to keep on watching on how I got this beautiful look and a review on each product, keep on watching today's video.
Now starting with my huevo looking face. I know I'm breaking out, but hello, I'm gonna start out like this. Huevo looking face. Okay, so let's get the care package. Oh my god, I got some goodies. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Let's start out with their 10-piece set brushes, or as they call it, makeup wands, and these retail for $35 US, and it comes along with a makeup wand bag, and this is the way the bag looks. Really nice, I like it. And this is the first eye brush I'm gonna try out. It's an angled eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna use it to clean my eyebrows using Ben Nye's Clown. Why I am testing this out, and honestly, my first impressions of this brush is that it's amazing. It does not feel like no cheap dollar store stuff. Like, you're literally getting what you're paying for. Like, this feels like a $35 brush if I ever that one. Like, it's thick, it has good condition. This is one of the fluffy brushes. It's really soft, and yeah, it feels really soft. And then these are the other brushes. The fluffy brushes come with this net thing, and the other ones come with this thing, so I'm removing that thing. I forgot the name of it. So yeah, these are the brushes. You're literally getting what you're paying for, so it's a good investment. If you want to invest into new brushes, I highly recommend these soft ones, and they're black and I like that. So the next items that we're going to be reviewing that they sent me is these two eyeshadow palettes. One's a glitter eyeshadow palette, and then the other one's a regular one with glitter. So this one, it has the Craft Girls as the cover, and the Virgin Mary and the moon and their logo. And then this one, oh, this one's so beautiful. This one's the glitter one, and we're going to start with that one. Yeah, it's called the I Worship Palette Crystal Companion Chameleon Glitter Palette. And this is the back. Honestly, this indie brand with its packaging goes full on. Like, it's not half-ass shit. Oh my god, look at those glitters. This is not some dollar store stuff. You're literally paying for what you're getting. So if you want to invest into some beautiful fucking products, you should get it right now. It's on sale for $35. Original price is $40. For the first shade, it's called Andara, and it's such a pretty pigment. It looks like it has some yellows, some greens, some oranges, but overall a really Oh my god, I know the swatches are shit, but look at that pigment, the pigment, oh my gosh. So this one's called Healer Right, and it's a green glitter, like a lime green, like a slimy green. And then the next one is gonna be called Rose Quartz. Oh my god, it's pink. The swatches are shitty, but they're so good. The next swatch is gonna be Ruby, and then the next shade is gonna be Orange Calcite. And look at Orange Calcite, it's really pretty. And swatches are shit, but they're really pretty. And then I put some more swatches. And the next shades are Chrysocolla, Pink Tourmaline, and Absinthe. I can't pronounce shit. And then the next two are going to be Emerald and Rhodonite. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce things with my accent. But these are all the glitter shades, and it's honestly worth $40 originally. But it's currently on sale for $35. So please go and get it. The pigment is fucking there. The swatches ain't it. But look at the, look at that. And it's so pretty. This is, oh, it's so pretty. I can't look. They don't fucking move if you fuck around with it. They don't move. Oh my god, I was shook at that. I was like, oof. And now for the next palette, and this is the way it looks. And if you flash light on it, it has like a rainbow holographicness, and I fucking loved it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god. And so yeah, this retails for $40. This palette is called the Bitches of Eastwick palette, and oh my god, the face I make. And this is the colors. Oh my god, look at those glitters. Oh my god, the screen, look at this packaging, so good. It has the eyeshadow name on top, the Bitches of Eastwick palette, and I just love the little symbols on the sides. And then this is the color pattern, and which I'm in love with. Oh my god, I just, oh, everything about this is so good. And it's from an indie brand. So the first shade we're gonna swatch is 3x3, Pretty Blue. The next one's gonna be Almanac. I'm sorry if I can pronounce this. The third shade is gonna be called Natural Witch. Ooh, that teal, so pretty. The next one is Bind You and Botanica and Weirdo, me. And then I'm gonna put this one over my tattoos. This one's the black glitter one, Mass. And then the next shades are gonna be Connie Francis Lirio in 175K. This one, Imitation. It's the glitters now. And Mamon. And then Drink of My Sisters. And then these are all the eyeshadow swatches. Super pigmented. Even the glitters over my tattoos, you can see the glitter. It's so good. Oh my god. Now this is all of the swatches from both palettes. If you want to invest into a glitter palette that don't fucking move, do it. We strong. This is some strong pigment. And then we're gonna start out with this flat brush that comes in the brush set. And then I'm gonna use Lirio, and I'm gonna put that in my brown. But oh my god, I was shooketh. Look at that pigment. It is so worth the price. Come on, this is not some dollar store stuff. Like, this is good. And I really love the way it made my brow bones sparkle and pop out. It can, like, oof, you can see it from worse. You can tell the difference. And now with this small fluffy brush, or part of the brush set, I'm going to use Weirdo, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner, and I'm gonna buff it out right there. I'm just gonna stamp it there first, and then I'm gonna buff it out, and then I'm gonna flick it out outwards and inwards. But I'm not gonna go over my crease. I'm gonna make a fake crease, if that makes sense. And then you want to blend it out outwards like this. And now using 3x3 again with that small fluffy brush. Before I change colors, I wipe the brush down with a small hand towel so it can make it easier. So I'm just gonna pat it down on top of the purple, make it blend together. I'm gonna make it be the eyeshadow more in depth, and I love blues on top of purples. It creates this beautiful indigo color such as this one, and it's really pretty. And to cut my cut crease, I am going to use the Glamouflage foundation from Hard Candy using that flat brush. And I'm going to cut my crease. If you want to know how I do it, I can make a full-on tutorial, but I have so many previous tutorials of showing how I do it. And that is the trick. I love using these brushes. Now using the shade Glamour with the flat brush, I am going to be putting that in my inner corner, kind of upward to my eyelid, but not all the way in the middle, if that makes sense. I'm just going to pat it there because it's glitter, and that's the best way glitter to show is if you put it on a base and if you pat it. And now using the shade Amethyst, and I am going to put that as the transition color between the blue matte and the Glamour glitter. I am just going to be tapping it in the middle and then eventually to like blending it out. I know it's hard, oh my god, to blend it out, but I'm going to peel the thing for the mirror so I can see and use this as the mirror, and I'm going to put it on my false fake eyelid that I created, the false crease. I am going to blend it to all the way up there, keep tapping it, and that's how it looks. Try to blend it as best as you can. And this is how it looks up close on the other eye. And now using one of their fluffy brushes, I want to test it out how it works with foundation. This one I think it's a foundation brush, but let's work it. So I am gonna see how it works, and honestly my first impression is that it works well, but you're gonna have to use a beauty blender if you want those inner corner edges like around your eyes to be put, because I tried it but I didn't want it to get on the eyeshadow. So now wiping it off on the towel, I'm gonna test it out on contour shades. I'm gonna use another fluffy brush, and I just want to test it out to the max, like trying all these brushes. And now I'm gonna use my blush, and let's see how it works out. And of course I cleaned it on the towel prior, and I'm just gonna put it on top of the apples on my cheeks so it can look colorful somewhat. And then going back to the shade Glamour with a flat brush, I am going to finish my inner corner since I already set it with a base. And oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. I love it. Ooh. And I'm going with Weirdo. I am going to use that fluffy brush and put it underneath my eyes. I always forget that part of the eyes, but eyes. And I'm just gonna blend it out, make sure that my eyes look dark. I like to cover my eye bags with a darker eyeshadow color. And now using 3x3, like I did it on top of the eyes, I am going to top that on below my eyes. Oh my god, I keep saying eyes. But yeah, I'm gonna blend it out so it can look cute. And now using the shade Lirio as a highlighting color, I highlight the top of my nose, I think my cheeks. Yes, oh my gosh, this is so pretty as highlight. Honestly, I can't wait if Bruja Babe Cosmetics ever comes out with a highlighter. I am buying it. But look at how pretty that shine is, and it comes in the eyeshadow palette. Like, now we're gonna be reviewing the eyeliner and the lipsticks. So I got sent one eyeliner and two lipsticks, matte lipsticks. So this one's the eyeliner. This is for $13. This is the I Worship and Ritual Color eyeliner pad. And I just fucking love the packaging. Like, it's so good. And it's an eyeliner pen, if I haven't said that again. And it's so pretty. Like, this goes hard. And this is the point. It's really pointy. So if you want to do drawings on your face or styles, it works. Here's the swatch. Oh, look at that, it's jet black, the ritual color. So I'm gonna be trying it out. I'm gonna do my thick ass wing, and yeah, the wing eyeliner that I do is called the Bat Eye Wing. It's the one that's trending for like the e-girls on TikTok, and it also helps with those with hooded ass eyelids. So after a while, I wanted to see, let me see if I try to smudge it. It doesn't fucking move. Like, look at that. And now we're gonna try the lipsticks. I don't know why I do this face a lot, but here are the Lip Worship lipsticks. Yeah, I got sent out two different colors. Here's the shade names, but I'm gonna put it up there. So the first one I'm gonna be unboxing is called Rainbow Room. It's like a hot pink. I love the packaging once again. And let's test it out. Let's do the swatch test. Oof. That shit is hot pink if I've ever seen hot pink. I love it. The next one is gonna be Backstage, and this is like a deep blue, and they both retail for $15. And I am gonna be trying out the blue with this look, and here's the swatch. It's like like a regular blue, and I'm gonna be using the blue on my lips like I said. I think I put 2 coats. Like the blue color seemed to be a little bit streaky, but I made it work. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my god, it makes the look come together. It just looks so good. I got sent out this sugar skull and some stickers along too. So here are the stickers. They are created by Bruja Behind Bars. Definitely check out these stickers. As you know, guys know, my laptop is bombarded by stickers, and I'm gonna have Firme out there right here, and the only type of space that I have. I love stickers. If you want to send me stickers, go for it. I just love how their packaging is holographic and witchy stuff. I love it. So these are press-on fingernails. It comes with its own glue and a toothpick. It's really thick. And then I didn't put them on because I wash dishes. I've been doing a lot of paintings and I don't want to destroy them. So this is why the way I apply it. But they look so cute. Once my fingernail is healed, I'm gonna wear it. So this is the toothpick I was telling you guys. Okay. Let me take this outside so you can see how it looks in the sunlight. What do you think? Bitch, she's fucking weird. What? I dropped my hat? Let me see how it works. So yeah, that was today's video. If you really like the products I used on my face and the products you saw previously, don't forget to check out Bruja Babe Cosmetics and also Firme Artes. And yeah, I'll put their websites, their social medias on here. And yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you haven't. It means a lot to me. I'm so close to 500 subscribers. I also want to, my review, my take on this is that yes, go buy and support Bruja Babe Cosmetics. Honestly, everything's so good. Look, the lipsticks that I have here, oh my god, like hold on, like nothing. Like, the support small brands, support small indie brands, please. Like, support them. So amazing. Once again, thank you so much, Firme Artes, for reaching out to me and sending me this awesome, lovely care package. Thank you so much. Please, please don't forget to check out Bruja Babe Cosmetics. It means a lot. It's totally worth it. The prices that they have it, completely worth it. But thank you so much. And so yeah, have a good one. Stay safe. Until next time, bye.